Hey, what's up? We are back with another unboxing video. Last time we unboxed India's first iPhone 7. The link to that is given in the description below. This time we are going to unbox 2015 MacBook Pro. This is the 13-inch model. Well, why did I decide to not go with this year's 2016 MacBook Pro, the one with the touch bar? More on that in a bit. So let's go ahead. We get the beautiful as always packaging. Let's take the top off. MacBook, the Apple paperwork, the power extension cord with the adapter, and this is the MagSafe adapter. One of the best part of getting the last year's MacBook Pro is you still get the glowing Apple logo on the back. Let's peel off the plastic now. This is a solid build, clean aluminum cut edges. Let's switch this on then. Let's zip through the setup process quickly. I think the only downside of getting this year's MacBook Pro is the weight. I don't really mind the depth it has. The design still has a premium feel to it. On the right side we get three ports, a USB 3, an HDMI port and the memory card slot. The newer MacBook Pro has only USB-C ports. On the left side we have the MagSafe 2, a couple of Thunderbolt 2 ports, USB 3, headphone jack and dual mics. Speaker grill and the heat outlet is housed near the hinge. You cannot see it from the outside at all. That's pretty neat design. MagSafe 2 is one of the best features of this laptop. It just fits in the housing if you bring it near the port. And if someone trips over the cable while plugged in, it just snaps out, makes the laptop very safe. The tried and tested chiclet keyboard is a joy to use. It's very comfortable to type on and it has a good travel distance. It goes way down when you press the keys. Unlike the newer MacBooks, they have the butterfly mechanism. The keyboard is backlit as well. It has the force touch trackpad. The trackpad identifies the different pressure levels and gives added usability. Performance wise, this is a powerful system. This one is the 256 GB version that I bought. It handled everything I threw at it with ease. So basically extensive media consumption and heavy editing. It never really dropped a frame. Very smooth in that respect. And my favorite part is the beautiful Retina display that it has. So that was the unboxing and review of the MacBook Pro 2015. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.